Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video,
Another different example on differential equations of higher order with homogeneous differential equation I'm going to solve here. Okay, this should be y here. D square y by dx square minus 3 d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Okay, first of all I will write it into differential operator form, that is d cube minus 3d square, this term, plus 3d minus 1 into, then auxiliary equation is given by m cube minus 3m square plus 3m minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now to find out the roots of this I can use the calculator. Then in calculator equation mode you have to go, option number 5, that is fourth option, cubic equation. There substitute the coefficients, 1 minus 3 minus 1 and one root I am getting as m1 equal to 1. Next again press equal to. Okay, it is showing only one root here, but as it is a cubic equation you should get 3 roots. What are the other 2 roots then here? How to find out them? To find out them, again I will use the property that we know that if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of cubic equation, then m cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into m square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma into m minus alpha beta gamma must be equal to 0. If you comparing these three equations, my alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus and minus here it is 3, and this one I will compare, minus here and here also it is a minus, I will cancel, and alpha beta gamma equal to 1. Okay, as minus cancels, but one of the root alpha equal to 1 I am getting. Okay, let it be alpha. Okay, therefore my alpha is 1 plus beta plus gamma equal to 3, and here alpha equal to 1, beta gamma equal to 1. Okay, now beta plus gamma equal to 3 minus 1, 2, and beta into gamma equal to 1. Product is equal to 1 and addition is equal to 2. The terms beta and gamma must be equal to 1 only. Beta equal to 1 and gamma also equal to 1. Therefore other two roots are nothing but 1. Therefore m equal to 1 is repeated 3 times. Okay, usually 2 times were discussed, but here it is repeated 3 times. All the 3 roots are 1 only. Therefore CF is equal to YC equal to, I can write it as, if 2 roots are repeated then my solution is C1 plus C2x. Third root is also repeated, means plus C3x square I have to write into e to the power plus x, 1x, m equal to 1x. Okay, this is how to write the solution for if all the 3 roots are repeated. Correct? Like this, another example I am going to solve on this one, to how to find out the repeated roots and all those things. Now another example is solve y triple dash plus y dash equal to 0. Now another notation for derivatives they are given, that's all, nothing. It is nothing but d cube y by dx cube plus dy by dx equal to 0. Same thing I will write it using the differential operator, that is capital D equal to dy dx as d cube plus d into y equal to 0. Y is taken common, d cube plus d equal to 1. Now this is nothing but auxiliary equation I can write for this one is m cube plus m equal to 0. Okay, you can use a calculator to find out the roots of this, or simple, very simple, I can find out using the roots of this one. M I can take common here, m square plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, which implies m equal to 0 or m square plus 1 equal to 0. M square plus 1 equal to 0 meaning is what? M square equal to minus 1. M square equal to minus 1 meaning is m equal to plus or minus I. Okay, therefore m equal to 0, m equal to plus I and m equal to minus I are the three roots of this equation now. Correct? Then the solution of this is given by, therefore CF, that is YC, as it is right hand side is 0, only CF is the solution. YC equal to, first root is distinct, other two roots are complex conjugate. Here it is C1 e to the power 0x plus, other two roots are complex, but real part is equal to 0 and imaginary part is equal to coefficient of I, that is 1. That is your alpha and beta according to the formula what I given. Okay, therefore e to the power alpha x 0x, alpha is 0 into c2 cos beta x, beta is 1x plus c3 into sin beta x, beta is 1x, or simplified form I can write it as e to the power 0x, e to the power 0 is nothing but 1, therefore c1 plus e to the power 0x again, it is 1, 1 into anything will become 1, therefore I will write it as c2 cos x, 1 into x, plus c3 sin x is the general solution or complementary function for the given differential equation. Okay, like this, another example I will solve here. Another example I am solving on the same type, dq by dx cube minus y equal to 0. Using the differential operator and by taking y common, I can write it as, first of all, for to avoid the confusion, I will write it as d cube by dx cube minus 1 into y I will write. Then I can write it as d cube minus 1 into y equal to 0. Okay, therefore auxiliary equation is given by m cube minus 1 equal to 0. Then what are the roots of this? To find out the roots of this, directly I will use the calculator so that to avoid the confusion. But in calculator it requires in the standard form, that is I will write it as m cube plus 0m square, no term of m square is there, plus 0m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore these coefficients I have to substitute. Again in calculator, equation mode, it is 5, option number 4, x cube term 1, 0, c is also 0 and d is minus 1 equal to, first root m equal to plus 1 I am getting. Next again second root x2 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 times I. Next, okay, same m equal to, but with minus sign, minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 times I, or in the decimals also you can find out the values. Correct? Minus 0.5 and this many times I. Right now, let me write like this only. Therefore, 1 m2 m3. m1 is 1, m2 is, and m2 and m3 are complex conjugate. Here it is plus and here it is minus. Therefore, CF I can write it easily as CF is equal to YC equal to C1 e to the power 1x, m1x, 1x, because it is a distinct roots, plus other two roots are complex conjugate. From a complex conjugate, my real part is equal to minus 1 by 2 and imaginary part is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Okay, not minus 3 by 2, plus root 3 by 2 is only the imaginary part. Therefore, I can write it as e to the power alpha x. Alpha is the real part, minus 1 by 2 x into c2 cos beta. Beta is root 3 x by 2 plus c3 into sine root 3 x by 2 beta, imaginary part. This is the required solution for the given equation. Okay, like this, some more examples on fourth order I am going to solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.